Welcome to Kendra's Artistic Crochet Designs. And today is WIP Wednesday. But again, I haven't had any time to do WIPs because of working all the extra hours at work and trying to keep up with my videos. So I thought today we would discuss a project that we're going to start next week. And that is the Daisy Field Afghan. And I think I've showed you guys this book before. It's the American School of Needlework presents the Great Afghan Book. So this I looked it up on Amazon, and you can still get this book, but it's very old. This book has got to be from the 1970s. So, because of some of the pictures in it, and that's the reason why I think. Let me show you a few pictures here of people. So, here's a good one right here. Because of the way her hair is done and stuff, I think it's a 1970s book. Here's another one. The person in there, wrapped in the Afghan. So we're on the right page. This here is the Afghan we are going to be doing next month. So I kind of want to give you a heads up of what we're going to be doing. It's called the Daisy Field Afghan. And so I was going to read a little bit through this to kind of tell you the approximate size of the Afghan. Is going to be 44 inches by 60 inches. And that all is making sure that you are staying in the range. So it all depends on your gauge, and everybody has a different gauge. And on an Afghan, it really doesn't matter if you stay on gauge, because it'll just be a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. It all depends on your gauge. So, but just for simplicity's sake, I thought that I would go over what it says in this book about gauge. So, it is worsted weight yarn, which is a size 4 yarn. And if you stay with your gauge, it says that you need 36 ounces of spring green, 12 ounces of white, and 4 ounces of bright yellow, which is the middle of the daisy. They're using a size F aluminum hook, or size required for gauge. So I was thinking that's kind of small. I probably won't use that size hook. Only because I like bigger hooks. I might do an H or an I. I'll see once I start doing them and see how big they are. One daisy hexagon should measure 7 1/4 inches. So, I guess you can make one daisy hexagon and see, how, we're going to make these the first Monday of May. So we are making the daisy hexagon on the first Monday of May. So, anyway, I have a girlfriend who wanted me to make this Afghan for her. And this is the reason why I'm making this Afghan, because If I don't do anything on the channel, I never get anything done. Because I'm always doing stuff for the channel. So I worked it in so we could do it on the channel. So anyway, I wanted to show you some yarn. I think I've showed you this yarn before. Maybe last week I showed you this yarn, but it's the Big Twist Value yarn. And so the picture looks like, it says spring green. To me, spring green, the picture looks like it's dark green, okay? And to me, spring green is not dark green. Spring green is a bright green, okay? But you guys can use any green you want. It's just that my girlfriend wanted it exactly like the picture. So I'm trying to make it exactly like the picture for her. So anyway, this green is, I'm going to use the Big Twist yarn. This green is called Varsity Green. So I don't know where they got that name, because this looks like a really dark green to me. But they're calling this Varsity Green, and I got this at Joann's. You can also get this on Amazon, so you can order this from Amazon as well. Amazon has the Big Twist yarn too. So I think it's 30 ounces. And each one of these is 6 ounces. Or was it 36? What did I say it was? Let me look at that again. All trying to do my math again here. I don't know about you, but I was not good in school with math. 36 ounces. So each one of those skeins of yarn, each one of these is 6 ounces, which means you would need 6 ounces of skeins. I mean, you would need 6 skeins of yarn, because 6 times 6 is 36. So you would need 6 of these. And oh gosh. And the white, you needed 12 ounces. So you'd only need 2 skeins of that to do the white, and then 4 ounces in the bright yellow, and you would only need 1 skein then. So and that's if you stayed with gauge. So that's the reason why I thought that I would use this video to get us ready for next month. And since I didn't have any WIPs done yet, this way we could kind of get ready for next month and let you guys go do some shopping in case you wanted to do this Afghan with me, as I think it's going to be an awesome Afghan. And I have never made a hexagon granite square before. So I thought, well, this will be really neat to do that, and also teach it online as well. So all I gotta do is follow the pattern, right? So anyway, we are going to be doing this next month, and I think that is all that I have for today. And have a great day, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye now.